Class 10 Mathematics. In that exercise 6.3, question number 5. If you see in your textbook, you can see the question. S and T are the points on the sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P equals to angle RTS. Show that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Briefly, I wrote the given triangle PQR. S and T are points on sides PR and QR, whereas angle P equals to angle RTS. They have to prove that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. So by drawing the figure and applying the any of the similarity rule, which similarity rule fits here we need to see. Triangle RPQ is triangle RTS. As the figure is not given for this question, we need to draw. If figure is not given and if you draw the figure, correct figure, you will get marks for that also. Let me draw a triangle here first. I'll take this on this way, triangle PQR and triangle PQR. S and T are the points on PR. So S is a point on the side PR. And PR, I'm taking a point S, and T is a point on the side QR. So you can take that point anywhere. They didn't say that it's a midpoint or something. So anywhere you can locate them. If I join the ST, it will be like this. Angle P equals to angle RTS. Angle P is this. Angle RTS is this one. For our convenience, I'll name this angle as angle 1 and this as angle 2. Now we have to prove the triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. In order to prove that, if we take this small triangle RTS and the triangle RPQ, we need to prove that two triangles similar. If I draw the rough figures of the two triangles here, I am taking this angle as R and this is T and this is S. So this angle we are taking as angle 2. This is in triangle RTS which we are proving. The other is RPQ. If I draw even the triangle also RPQ. Or here if I take in P, I will take here P. They give us this one. At P we have angle 1 here. Now these two triangles which we need to prove that they are similar. Which similarity rule fits here? We need to say whether it is angle 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 or side 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 or side angle side. Ratio of the sides are not given. By using them can we prove, or which similarity rule fits here? We need to see one angle of this triangle, that is angle 2, and the other triangle RPQ, that is angle 1. This angle 1 equals to angle 2. That is given in question itself. If we say this R is the common angle in both the triangles. So two angles of this triangle are equals to the two angles of the other triangle. So third angle automatically will become equal in these two triangles by using angle sum property. In this triangle, sum of the three angles 180. In these triangles also, sum of the three angles 180. In this, two angles are equal to the two angles of this. So third angle also will be equal. So we can apply angle 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 similarity rule, and we can say that these two triangles are, you need to able to identify the similarity rule which fits here. First I write in triangle PQR, which is given as here as I named them here, angle 1 equals to angle 2. How I am writing that? This is given in question, so I am writing it as reason for that as given. Here angle R equals to angle R. Angle R means you can take it as angle SRT, angle PRQ. And this way, this is the common angle in both the triangles. I'm writing in this, you can write it as SRT angle PRQ. Like that also you can write. So these two I will mention otherwise. So writing it in triangle PQR and triangle RPQ, right? RPQR, both will be same. RPQ and triangle RTS. Two angles are equal, so third angle is all automatically equal. So I'm not moving it further. Now directly I'll write here triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. This is by angle 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 similarity rule, which is our RTP. Hence prove. This will make question number 5. Then when we continue, the next one is question number 6. Your textbook, question number 6, what is in figure 6.37, the figure is given to us. If triangle AB is congruent to triangle ACD, show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. In this one, this CD also joined in the figure and as well as BE. Now to see the given things, here triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. When the two triangles are congruent, the congruency you learned already in 9th class, where the two triangles will have same shape and same size. That means one triangle exactly overlaps on the other triangle in the way if they are congruent. In congruent triangles, their corresponding angles are equal and even corresponding sides are also equal. That is why one triangle exactly overlaps on the other triangle. Here they gave us the two triangles. ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. So in these two triangles, corresponding angles are equal and as well as corresponding sides are equal. This is a hint given to us. By using this, we need to prove that triangle ADE. Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. This small triangle similar to this big triangle. The similarity criteria we are solving it same way. If we move further in order to prove this, in this congruent triangle, the corresponding sides are equal. If I write that corresponding sides are equal means ABE, ACD. Here we write the combination, the sides means AB will be equal to AC as a corresponding sides in these two triangles. One I am writing from this side, one I am writing from this side. In this triangle, side AB is equals to, in this triangle, side AC. And similarly, if I write BE is equals to CD, BE of this triangle is equal to the BCD of this triangle. You can draw the two triangles separately here. And when you compare, you will get, and if I take that AE is equals to AD. These are the corresponding sides of these two congruent triangles which are equal. If it is needed, even we need to see the angles also, the equal in order to prove that these two triangles are true. Similar. This is not given. This I should write here actually. Right here. And triangle ABE and triangle ACD, which are given as congruent to each other. That I am writing here. AB equals to AC, BE equals to CD, and AE equals to AD. Now RTP is this. ADE is similar to triangle ABE. So when we see this RTP, by saying this only you can tell that one angle is common in both the triangles. The angle which is common in both the triangles is A, angle A. Even the angle A is present in this also. So one angle A is common. The other angles we don't know. So with the left out thing, we know these sides of the triangles are equal. So I think it's the side similarity rule not possible. Angle also not possible. Or if you see the easy one, I think side angle side, because these three sides are equal. Their ratio, if we take this as AE by EC or AC by AE, AB by AD, like that, if we divide the ratio, there are 2 upon 2, 5 upon 5, 10 upon 10, like that you will get 1. So that the ratio of the sides will be equal. The common angle we have angle A. When you observe this, angle A is present in triangle ADE, which we have in our RTP, and as well as it is present in triangle ABC also. So angle A is common. The ratio of the sides are also equal. So side we can apply because the ratio of the sides will be equal to 1 if we divide them. In this triangle ABC and ADE, the sides including the angle A is present in both the triangles. So angle A equals to angle A in these two triangles, and the sides including that angle A in both the triangles are in the same ratio. So by side angle side similarity rule, the two triangles will be similar to each other. I write that in triangle ADE and triangle ABC. A, we can write in a different way. Angle DAE or write as angle A equals angle A without any creating confusion. Write that as instead of writing the full name. Triangle A can be named as a different way here. In this triangle AD, it can be named as angle DAE or angle EAD. Whereas in triangle ABC, it will be angle BAC or angle CAB. So first I write that as angle A equals to angle A. The reason for that is the two angles are common. This is a common angle in both the triangles and the sides are in the same ratio. When we divide the sides, you'll get equal to 1 because the sides are equal. So I write here the triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by side similar. Even you can write the ratio here. I am not writing ratio. You can write this by using these three things which we got from the that the triangles are congruent. The ratio of the sides will be same, so that we can say that these two triangles are similar to each other. Basically, side